first thing that we need to do here, step one, do what? Okay, Tanner,
Pull GCF.
what was your GCF?
2.
Okay, pull out 2, and what did you have left over when you did that?
Y with myself.
Good, okay. All right, so now I'm looking, is this a difference of squares? Skylar, what do you think?
Yes.
Okay, what did that break to?
2 in parentheses y2 minus 5 y to the second.
Is that it?
And then y to the second plus 5.
Nice job, very nice job. Okay, so the 2 just drops down, you don't do anything with it, just drop it down. And then this breaks y to the 4th, y squared and y squared, 25 goes to 5 and 5. Now if I look here, y squared's good for difference of squares. I have subtraction, but can I square root 5? No, can't square root to 5, so we're done. Okay? Alright, let's go down to number 12. Alright, step 1 on number 12. What is step 1 no matter what? What's the first thing we do?
Pull GCF.
Okay, is there a GCF here?
7.
7, right? Okay, I know we haven't talked a ton about this, but yeah, there's a 7, so let's pull a 7. Now, I'm going to square off my bracket to start with. That way I can put my parentheses in a minute. Since it's 4 terms, we're going to have to group it. Okay? So I'm going to make a squared bracket in this case. All right, if I pull out 7 out of this first term, what do you have left over? X to the 3rd. All right, second term, divide by 7.
Wait, can
3x
we
plus
pull a 7x squared?
No. Right now, I'm pulling an X just out of
Oh,
4
all
parts. All parts, yeah. I'm not just grouping. I'm actually pulling a 4 or pulling a 7 first. So we're pulling our GCF. Okay, minus 7 divided by 7 is 1. So we have an X left. And then if I divide this by 7, what do we get here at the end? Minus 3. Good. Okay, so now that was first step. Pull a GCF. So now this is where I'm going to go ahead and put it in my parentheses. Because now I've got 4 terms. Okay. All right, so now 4-term grouping, right? 4-term grouping. What comes out of the first part here?
X to the second.
X to the second, good. Okay, so if I pull out an X to the second, what do I have left here on this guy?
X.
X, what do I have on this guy?
3.
3, so X plus 3. Okay, now what about this guy? What can I pull here? Remember that it's going to have to match this guy. What could you pull?
A negative 1.
Good, pull out a negative 1. All right, and so that's just going to flip my signs to X plus 3. Okay, so now, do my insides match?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so what would my next step here be?
Combine the outsides.
Okay, combine the outside, so what's that going to look like when you do that?
X squared minus 1.
Good. And X plus 3. And now what's missing out in the very front here?
The 7.
The 7. Okay, so the 7 still is hanging out because that was your GCF. And all we did in the middle here was 4-term grouping, just review of that. Okay? Now, are we done? Can I break down anything else? Is there anything else I could break down there? Oh, if you're saying no, you're wrong, and there's been a lot of head shaking on this one.
X squared.
Okay, so people are starting to say something about the X squared. What do I know about, can I break down X squared evenly? Yeah. Do I have a minus in the middle?
Yeah.
What's the square root of 1? So it can be broke down, can't it? It's a difference of squares. Okay? So this will go to X plus 1 and X minus 1. Alright? Difference of squares. Okay, so X plus 1, X minus 1. Now, the 7, GCF, we're just going to hang it out front. Keep it there. And the X plus 3. Can't go anywhere. Okay? So I'm just going to write down X plus 3. Okay, so that took, this one problem took everything you have been taught so far and put it together, right? Talked about GCF, 4-term grouping, and then difference of squares. So it took all 3 concepts and put it together, all right? All right, that's where we're going to stop for today. Right now we're going to kind of make a little spot for your desk. You guys have your first quiz, all right? So